Good morning, students. We will continue with the same chapter, Wet in the Forest. Now come to paragraph number 13. Suddenly, the elephant stopped. I clutched Subrato by his shoulders and whispered into his ears, "Fire!" Up came the dart gun. The animal winced slowly and, pricked by the dart, quickened to pace. Then, when they had reached to the place where the injured elephant was alone, we saw that the elephant had suddenly stopped. So I clutched Subrato's shoulder and whispered into his ears to fire his dart gun towards the injured elephant. The elephant winced slightly. Winced means it made a quick and slight movement which indicated that he was in great pain. And pricked by the dart, quickened to pace. So because the dart has pricked his body, it started moving fast. We quickened ours accordingly. So because the elephant had started moving fast, we also started to pace up with the elephant's speed. In about 5 minutes, its hind legs bent under its body. Hind means the back legs. Opposite of hind is fore, F-O-R-E. So the hind legs bent under its body and then it slowly fell over sideways and lay on its side. So first his back legs trembled so that he fell down and lay on one side on its body on the ground. Now next para, 14. We approached the animal and closely examined its eyes. The breathing was regular. There appeared to be an immediate cause for worry. So we went near the animal, very close to it, and first we tried to examine its eyes. Its breathing process was going regularly. There was no problem in its breathing. Then we found that there was no immediate cause for worry. So everything was okay with its body, and it was that we need not worry too much for its life. The vet confirmed that the body temperature and the pulse rate were normal for an elephant. So the veterinary doctor, he confirmed that its body temperature as well as the pulse rate was normal. But there was a frighteningly large abscess around the left knee. Only one thing was found dangerous, and that was it was having an abscess in his left knee. What is an abscess? An area swollen with an infection having some pus inside it, the fluid inside it. Okay. The vet got to work. A deep cut across the swollen part of the leg brought out a flow of black blood. So the vet started to work on the elephant's wound. Okay, he made a deep cut across the wound in its leg so that black colored blood started flowing out from there. There was no other visible injury on the elephant and nothing inside the wound. So only that wound was there which was causing a lot of pain to the elephant. Otherwise, there wasn't any injury which was visible to the doctor. Okay. Moreover, there wasn't anything inside the wound except for the black blood. Okay. The animal must have got injured stumbling over a cut piece of bamboo or a sal stump. Stumps means the cut part of a tree, maybe bamboo tree or the sal tree. So they assumed that the elephant might have injured his leg by stumbling over a cut bamboo or sal tree. After the necessary treatment of its leg and a shot of long-acting antibiotic, we bandaged the leg more for visual effect than as part of the treatment of its injury. So what happened when the veterinary doctor treated the wound, means removed all the black blood, some antibiotic was injected into its wound and then it was bandaged nicely. Okay. We knew perfectly well that the bandage would not stay more than a moment once the elephant was on its legs after being revived with the antidote. Now, we all knew that once the elephant comes out of its unconsciousness, it will remove the bandage. Okay, means as soon as the effect of the antidote given to him, it will remove the bandage. We expected the medicine to wear off. Okay, wear off means lose effect slowly until it disappears. So we expected the medicine to lose its effect. Okay, wear off any minute now, but the elephant showed no sign of waking up. As any healthy elephant should do a few minutes after receiving the antidote. So we expected that any moment now the elephant will recover. I mean, get into its senses. But it showed no sign of waking up. Otherwise,